So here is my Club Cadet. You guys have seen it on another video. And I wanted to give you guys a little review. I've had this thing since 2013. It is 2021 now. And this thing still starts up on the first pull. Now, the reason I wanted to do this was because I wanted to show you guys a couple of things that I've had to replace just this year. And here, let me grab this. So one of the things that happened this year was my auger cable broke. Now your auger cable goes from, your auger cable goes from here down through here, down through here, goes through there, cable goes here. This piece comes off with a couple of bolts, and there's another little round pulley thing here, and it clips into the auger drive. So this cable rusted out over the years and it snapped this year. So I replaced that one. But when I ordered the auger cable, I got the wrong one, and they sent me a drive cable, which goes from here, okay, goes down through here, goes underneath to get to the drive cable. To the drive, you have to take this part off, and it hooks to the drive underneath there. And the cables look like this, even though they both look almost the same. This one didn't rust out. This one didn't snap, but as you can see, it's starting to get a little rusty. So I figured let's replace it anyways. The new one came with a bigger hook here that was grinding, so we had to make a little modification. Well, Kenny made a little modification, and we replaced the drive. So now I got 2 new drive cables, so I don't have to worry about those snapping. I've only given this thing a tune-up, oil change, and that's it over the last, 7, 8 years. And like I said, it still starts up on the first try. I'm not gonna start it up because we're inside the garage and it's freezing outside. Now, the next thing that I have to replace, I just realized that the last time I used it, is this. The rope has frayed. It's gonna snap soon. So we are going to take that out. And I'm assuming it's just a couple bolts there. But I'm gonna have Kenny do it, because when I take stuff apart, sometimes I can't get it back together and I end up smashing things. And I really like the snowblower, so I don't want to do that. I'll let him handle that. I've gotten a little rust. Got a little rust here. Over the years, a little rust. I'm gonna take care of that this year. Maybe sand it down and paint it. Get it back to looking good. We've been moving a lot, so we haven't had a chance to really take care of this thing. Then, if you look in here, I don't know if you can see that back there, but on the pin in the bottom, in there, there's some rust. The paint's chipped off over the years, so we're gonna see what we can do with that. But everything is still good. Haven't broken any of these clips. Haven't had any accidents. So these clips are all good. But besides that, besides the one cable breaking, the pulley, the start pulley cable that I'm gonna have to replace. This thing's been working great. Oh, I did replace the light bulb on my headlight there. But like, I still love this thing. This thing's been a champ. But it still looks good. The only thing that I don't like is this handle. Cause it's hard, like right now, it's kind of hard to move around, especially when you're like pulling on this and holding that, and you know, it's not as smooth that I would like. And we've tried oiling this thing and everything, but we're gonna clean that. But it has broken. So I'd rather deal with it and not have it break than have it nice and smooth and it breaks. That's better. But that's it, guys. This is the Club Cadet from Home Depot. I think, I want to say I paid $7.99 for it when it was brand new. And it's paid for itself. So I hope this helped out. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys on the next video.